Thank you very much. 1 minute. Hybrid electric vehicles, fuel cells, large capacity wind generators. These are all green energy technologies that require pure rare earth elements to function, to make them in their manufacture. The 17 rare earth elements are not that rare, but they have a particularly similar chemistry among them that makes separation and purification of the elements especially difficult. China currently holds more than 95% of the global rare earth supply chain. This includes mining, separations chemistry, and manufacture of components. In 2010, China cut their exports of rare earth elements by about 40%, in a shift away from an export rare earth economy to one where they use the elements internally for their own green energy projects. This provides a tremendous opportunity for chemists. In my lab, we're working on fundamental research of rare earth elements that will contribute to an inexpensive and effective rare earth separations chemistry. We expect that our discoveries will contribute to a new U.S. domestic supply chain of rare earth elements that will enable discoveries that will enable the growth and continued growth of green energy technology in the U.S. Thank you.